Hey, what you saying, guys? Welcome to Nick Reds. Hey. Hey. Oh shit. Alright, so I guess no sunglasses today, but what's going on, all my loyal fan base? What are you guys doing? How are you doing? I'm back, and with another perm shorts. And today I'm going to show you guys how to style a lazy perm. So what I mean by lazy perm is the days you don't want to shower and your hair just looks messed up after you sleep and you still want it to look good but you don't have time to shower that day. I'm going to show you guys a spray that I make that works perfectly and is amazing, and it's called Guava Spray. And no, that's not the actual name of the spray, but it's what I call it. Guava Spray. But before we start, I'd like to say a special thank you to Mr. Bitches. Love you. You've been leaving comments on all my videos and I appreciate it a lot. So you guys are gonna need 3 things. Any type of spray bottle that sprays in the mist, not like the straight line one. It wants to be mist, so make sure it's a mist one. I got this from Beauty Supply for like $5. And then the product we're gonna be using is Quenchy, or no, it's just Quench. And it's from Aunt Jucky. It's a moisture intensive and leave-in conditioner. You're gonna have your spray bottle, whatever type of spray bottle you have, fill it about 75 to 80% water. And that's how you start. Then poke open the Quench and release. And you just want to put as much as you really want in it. And then you look in there and it'll be nice and clean. It smells so nice. Oh my God. And if you guys are wondering why my hair looks like this and it's all straight and stuff, it's because I just woke up. I just did this to show you guys the transformation on how it would look when I just woke up. Use mine as a tip and try to get similar products if you can't find the same ones. This helped me out a lot for the days that I just didn't have time to shower, because it still makes my hair look properly and without having to go through the process of letting it dry and going through the shower. This is all quick and easy. If you guys have work or school and you want to do this, I recommend it 100%. I just want it to look extra nice. You guys can use some kind of finishing spray. But remember, you don't want to use a finishing spray way too much, because if you use finishing spray too much, it could dry out your hair and damage your hair. So if you're going to use it, just go with quick little all around. And you should be blessed. But that's all I got for the video today, guys. It was another perm short just to help you guys out with the lazy days. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And yeah, stay blessed, stay happy.